Hi everyone, this is Ankan Sarkar and today I am going to show you how to create your own custom matching rule. But before I begin, let me tell you what matching rules are. Matching rules are rules that are used to identify duplicate records. A matching rule consists of fields which are assembled in the form of equations, and it also consists of criteria that determine how broadly a match is defined for each field. You might be wondering, how does a matching rule works? So when a matching rule runs, it compares two records, and if the fields in both the records match the equation and meet the criteria, then the records are said to be duplicate records. So now I am going to show you how to create your own custom matching rule. First, go to setup. In the quick find, write matching rule. Here you can see that we have three standard matching rules that are already present in Salesforce. But now we are going to create a new custom matching rule. The object that we need to create the matching rule is for contact, and let's say next. For the rule name, let's say custom matching rule for contact. In the fields, we first select first name. The matching method is fuzzy first name. Similarly, we choose last name. It is also fuzzy last name. Then we choose email, which is exact match, and then we choose an account name, which can be fuzzy company name. And after this, we can choose title, which is also fuzzy, and then we can add filter logic. But let me add another row with the department, and it would be a exact matching method. And for this, we are not going to choose the matching, we are going to keep the match field blank. And for the filter logic, since there are 6 fields, we need a logic with 6. And like I already told you, these are your matching criteria, and the filter logic is the expression which needs to be fulfilled. Now click on save and activate. Now we need to assign this matching rule to our duplicate rule. Write duplicate rule in quick find and click on duplicate rule. We can create a new custom rule, but I am just going to use this standard contact duplicate rule, and click on edit. And in this we can see when a duplicate rule is created, when a duplicate record is created, we are going to allow both of these, that is allow on create and allow on edit. So for the matching rule for compare contact with contacts, the matching rule I am going to select is the custom matching rule for contact, and I am going to keep the rest the same. Now save this. Now go to your home page and first refresh this. Go to contacts. I'm going to create a new contact. Let's say his name is Anderson. His last name is Hugh. For account name, I am going to select United Oil and Gas. For his title, let's say he is a vice president and his department is sales. And his email is going to be since we have fulfilled all the fields that we have put in the matching rule. Now we are going to save it. We get a alert that there is a similar record that exists. Let's say we click on view duplicate. We can either open this contact, but I'm not going to do it right now. Let's say we are going to save it anyway. When this contact is created, in the related field we can see that we have found one potential duplicate of this contact. Click on view duplicate. Select all the duplicate records and click on next. Here we can see we can compare both the records. Let's say I'm going to select Andy Hugh as the master record, and let's say I'm going to use the title from the new record. Now we are going to merge both the duplicate records here. Now if you see the details, here the title has changed from VP to Vice President. Similarly, go back to your duplicate rules and click on edit. Now this time I am going to block both action on create and action on edit and click on save. Now go back to contacts, refresh the page once and create a new contact. Let's say the first name is Isabella, last name is Grace. And the title is director. Let's say just keep it as D for now. Department is marketing. And email is when I try to save this, we get a message that we can't save this duplicate record because it already exists. Now if I see duplicate, I can open this contact, but let me show you that since we block allow on create and allow on edit, we can't save this. We can only view duplicate here and open this contact. So this is how we can use matching rule to prevent our duplicates to be created. All for watching this video. I hope you like it.